Hi, my name is Chong Mayong, matric number 254459, and I'm a final year student in UUM, which taking the course of Information Technology, majoring in Software Engineering. And for my internship, I was working in the SAM Engineering and Equipment Malaysia Berhad. And for my internship, I was develop a system for my internship project, which it is called SAM Report Service Maintenance System. And this system is proposed by my company. It is to help them to enhance the previous way they manage the data insert into the database, because they are using the manual way, which manually key in the data into the database after they getting the approval. So they want to change it to can auto insert the data into the database after they getting the approval. So they are proposed this system. So now I will show you the system, and before that I will log in into the system. So I log in here. Here will show a set of application which is by the company, but for my application is this one. This is the which I developed, and this will be the first page after logging into the system. And now I will show you how to register a form. To click here and click on the register button, here will be show a form, and to insert all the required data, which is indicated with a red color stars. For example, to testing, internship 1, 2, 3. This is a report ID, and then key in report name. This is just an example, and select the data source like this one, the type, and also the method name, content, and for the mail subject, the version, and the body like hi, hi. Please access this version. Okay, and we'll key in the mail. Example is for this one. For CC1 is optional, so I won't key in it. I'll key in the required one first. Then for the report SQL, I just key in for SN example. And I click active here. This also is an optional. And then after I key in all the information needed, then I will select the approval here, and this will send this form to the approval. For example, I select the Bunting, and then after I submit this form, I will submit to Bunting, and then he will have to check the information and do the decision in approve this or reject this form. And I also can save this as a form, as a draft. For example, I click this, and then here will show the message of this is saved as a draft, and I can check it from my SRSM here. I click it, and then to find the report that I just submitted, we can search it from here. Testing internship here. This is the form that just now we have saved it as a draft. Then you can click edit draft here. Then we can edit the data before we submit also. So maybe like for We select this one as SN, and we don't want to active this. And then we save and draft again. We save it, and we also can same ways check it from here and check here. Check this one is in the status of draft, so I will edit it. Click it again to make sure I have edited the resources like the SN. Just now I changed it to SN, and I also deactivate this, and then we can click the submit button here to submit this form to the approval, and I submit. Then we'll show the message here, and then the system will also automatically send an email to the approval to remind him or her to access to this form and do the approval. So we can check to the approval site. We log out to the user system. We log into the approval account. Then to check the form and do the approval on the request, and select the application here as RSM. And then we may check the form from here, my SRSM action list. And I click on here. This all form will be in the pending approval, which is the submitted by the user and waiting for the approval by for the ITHOD. And now we will find the form, which is this one, testing internship 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the form that just now I submitted, and I will click to go to action here. Then the approval will check in all the informations and do the decision that will this is doable and allowed to insert into the database, or they want to approve it or reject it. If the approval want to reject this form, he need to fill up this field before they click to reject, because this is required. And for example, like click OK, there will be show a reminder to remind him or her to fill in the field first before they reject this form. Then, for example, we will approve this. Click approve field and click on the OK in the confirmation message. Here will be show approve. Then we can see through the user side to check the form. For example, the user may check it whether the form is approved by the approval, and go through the system, and we may check it from here, all running report, and here will be show only the report that all are approved by the approval. If for like this status is, for example, like just now, for example, like this one, we click it into view. This is inactive because just now we have now select this one, so this is in inactive status. Well, if we tick on this text, this checkbox, here will show the active, and this is the approved form that I just approved by the approval. So this will automatically insert into the database after the approval approve this form. So that's all for the introduce this system, and thank you.